Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we want to resolve this math problem. We have 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x to be equal to 900. So for us to start, we are going to factor out 10 to the power of x to have 10 to the power of x. So we have 1 left plus 1 plus 1 or equal to 900. So from here we have 10 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3 or equal to 900. So let's divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. We have 10 to the power of x times 3 or over 3 to be equal to 900 divided by 3. So we have that this cancel this. We have 10 to the power of x to be equal to 300. Now from here, let's take the log of both sides. So when we take the log of both sides, we have log of 10 to the power of x to be equal to log of 300. But let's recall, when we have log of a to the power of b, this can be written as b times log of a. So this will become x times log of 10 to be equal to log of 300. So from here we have x, and we know that log of 10 is 1. So we have equal to log 300. So from here x times 1 is x. X is equal to log of our 300 can be written as 3 times 100. But when we have log a times b, this is the same as log of a plus log of b. So from here x is equal to, so we have log of 3 plus log of 100. So we have log of 100 plus log of 3. So we have x equal to, and 100 can be written as 10 to the power of 2 plus log of 3. So we have x to be equal to 2 times log of 10 plus log of 3. So we have x to be equal to 2 times, we know that log 10 is 1 plus log of 3. So our x is equal to 2 plus log of 3. So we've gotten the value of x. So we've gotten the value of x to be equal to 2 plus log of 3. So let's verify by imputing this value into the previous question. So we want to verify our answer. We'll be imputing this value into here. So we have 10 to the power of 2 plus log of 3 plus 10 to the power of 2 plus log of 3 plus 10 to the power of 2 plus log of 3 to be equal to 900. So let's factor this out. We have 10 to the power of 2 plus log of 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 to be equal to 900. So 10 to the power of 2 plus log of 3 can be written as 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of log of 3 times 3. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's the 3, to be equal to 900. 10 to the power of 2 is 100 times 3 times 10 to the power of log of 3 over 1. So any number divided by 1 is the same number. So we have equal to 900. But let's recall that the log of 10 is equal to 1. So I'll be replacing this 1 with log of 10. We then have 100 times 3 times 10 to the power of log of 3 over log of 10, all equal to 900. But when we have log of a all over log of a, this all over log of b, this can be written as log 2 base b of a. So I'll be applying this rule over here. We have 100 times 3 times 10 times log of base 10 of 3, log 2 base 10 of 3 to be equal to 900. So we have 100 times 3, we have 300 times 10 times log 2 base 10 of 3 to be equal to 900. But recall, when we have a times log 2 base a of b, this is the same as b. So from here we have 10 times log 2 base 10 of 3. So this will become 3. So we have 300 times 3 to be equal to 900. 300 times 3 we know is 900, is equal to 900. So it simply means that the left hand side equals the right hand side. So our answer, so our x Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.